how to use meta fields in Shopify. I'm going to show you how we can create one and also how we can use it on our products. So I am on the home page here of Shopify, and I'll simply click on settings in the bottom left corner. And then here we want to scroll down until we see custom data. So just click on custom data, and here we will select products, and we want to click on add definition. Now for the name here, we're going to call it care guide, and just click on care guide from this drop down menu, and we can leave the rest as it is. So just click on save, and now we're going to exit out of this. So from our home page again, we want to go to products, and here if we want to use this meta tag, all we have to do is select the product on Shopify. And if we scroll all the way down, then you will see this now, meta fields, care guide. So what we want to do is write the information here, how they can care for this product. Simply don't wash it. And if I click on save, I will have successfully used meta fields on Shopify. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.